Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're going to look more into dynamics. We were exploring dynamics last week when we met the tiny caterpillar and we were practicing playing our instruments really quietly, and as our caterpillar grew bigger and bigger, our music got louder and louder. So today we're going to learn the two magic music words for dynamics, and dynamics means loud or soft. How loud or softly do we play the music? And when we're reading music, there's little symbols on the music that tells us how do we play it. Is it meant to be played soft or quietly, or is it meant to be played really, really loud? Okay, so our magic music word and the symbol for this word for loud is forte. Can you say that word? Forte. Very good. Let's say it again. I want to hear you say it really loud. Forte. Very good. And this is what the symbol looks like. It's an F shape. And when we see that in music, we know that we have to play our music loud. Okay. And then the opposite word for playing softly, playing quietly, is piano. Can you say that word with me? Piano. Very good. And one more time. Piano. Excellent. And this is the symbol that we will see when we're playing music and it's telling us to play softly. Piano. Very good. It's a P shape, isn't that right? Very good. So we are going to do a song together called Forte Piano. All right, and we're going to move our bodies. When we hear if the music's playing loudly, we're going to stand up really tall. Forte, like this. And if the music's playing quietly, we're going to get back down low. Shh, piano. Okay, so will we do that together?